Pamela on my new YouTube channel. What's the tea? Siya Hlaziya. Musa Khawula will stop at nothing. Ukukhuluma kambi ngamagama abantu. Enubhizi uthukana nenhlamba kanti kuthiwe ku-YouTube asiyekele inhlamba. Oh, hayi shame. Ngazo isikhathi ophuza i-hunters guys, or is it flying fish? La iphuzayo. Ooh, guys in. Hey boy, it's a lot, guys. Kusam nalowa 4 wakha ubhalayo, but njengamanje ubhizinisi nganza abantu omihlala indamase ufuna ulirato khanyaga kahle ezomtshela ukuthi uhlala emjondolo emkhukhwini. Kuba akathandi ukutreasure abantu ahudula amagama abantu phansi. Nesifuba esihlezi singaphandle ngathi usexy and akekho nana that sexy really. Lonke isentence ufaka B afake F amagama athuke wonke umuntu lo, and all the words, all lonke ama sentence akhe awusalo whatever everything whatever like awuqeda sentence. Wena ubani okugivayo ufuna umushe ndiki ezokudonsa again ngala ama dreadlocks akha u4 kusale 2 yama dreadlocks akudonsa again in night club. Ngobani nawe ubusiness am trashing people, talking crap about people. Akukho nje right guys, and my thing is that just as much as isifuna ukuhleka ku YouTube and all the times akukho right. For instance, ingane zethu zifundani ama teenagers nje, for example afunda ini kuwena ubhizi uphethe ubhiya ku TV. Hayi guys, hayibo kuthi ngosam hayi ngeke guys, you need to stop bra. Nesifuba every time ngaphandle namabhluku awu2 li grey net beige phela amabhluku akho, bese kuzoba ilama shirt akho awu2 futhi a black. Uyawavula like you are sexy and you actually not even that sexy. Like red nalo wa4 wakho ubhalayo opermanent azabhlungu kodwa amadolo nenyawo, bese kuzoba ile shirt lakho olivulayo ngathi inkukhu enethiwe iqhude lenkukhu. Busy khudulana namagama abantu bazokudonsa again. Mana club nawuzofela nje ngikuthumele ngomusho endiki straight donse ngeni. Well futhi this time actually ngifuna nokuthi kusala u2 ama dreadlocks nje bayi4 vela ama dreadlocks akho ufuna ngingasali lutho. Kufana nani? Kufana nokuthi ene uTrevor Noah uhleze ehlekana nabantu kodwa yena ngikaze ngizobe emhleka abantu, and umbonile kuma awards what was he wearing, the cream white or ngithi off white jacket that he was wearing. Unaccess to ama jacket akhe ne ayadlula ama hips. That's why, because unama hips. This is what he's trying to hide. But the one yena umhleka akekho, that person is forever laughing at people like nobody's business. Kodwa nje yena uhleze right in life. Like really bro?